everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to block domains on Yahoo Mail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your Yahoo Mail application on your mobile device, or you can also open up a web browser and log into yahoo.com. After you are signed into your main homepage for Yahoo Mail, go and tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner. Now tap on Settings from the list, and from the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find Block Unwanted Sender Domains option. Remember that in order to block domains in Yahoo Mail, you will need to first subscribe to Yahoo Mail Plus. If you have a free Yahoo Mail account, you can only block individual email addresses but not the entire domains. If you are subscribed to Yahoo Plus, you can go ahead and tap on the Add Domain option. Enter the domain you want to block and then tap on OK or Add. And that's how you can easily block a domain on Yahoo Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.